Imagine launching towards the moon, only to be struck by lightning moments after liftoff. This was the terrifying reality for Apollo 12 on November 14, 1969. Just 36 seconds into the mission, a bolt of lightning struck the spacecraft, causing a total electrical power outage. As alarms blared and instruments went dark, the mission teetered on the brink of catastrophe. Thanks to quick thinking by flight controllers and the crew, they executed a critical SCE to aux switch, restoring power and saving the mission. Against all odds, Apollo 12 continued its journey and successfully landed on the moon, etching this dramatic event into space history.